Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact version you have and the older version you want. This avoids mismatched profiles and extensions. Once done, download the offline installer or MSI for that specific version and save it to a known folder. Make sure to export bookmarks and passwords and copy the user profile folder so you can restore data. At the same time, disable automatic updates to prevent immediate re-upgrade. This preserves the state while you uninstall the current release. You now remove the current Chrome release cleanly to avoid file conflicts. Start with the standard uninstall via Control Panel or Settings and be deliberate about whether to retain the profile folder. Then manually delete leftover directories in program files and app data that can block downgrades. Once done, stop Chrome update services or tasks so Windows won't automatically replace your chosen version. Restart your machine to clear locked files and ensure the system is ready for the older installer to run smoothly. You install the older build with elevated privileges so files replace cleanly. Run the installer, then open Chrome and check about to confirm the version. After that, sign back into your account and restore bookmarks and saved passwords from your backup. If Chrome tries to update automatically, make sure update services are disabled or apply a simple enterprise policy to prevent updates. If extensions misbehave after downgrade, remove and reinstall them. That fixes most compatibility problems without needing an.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.